The last time I visited Coventry University, the campus was completely empty. Lecture rooms locked, no students around, and the whole place was shut down. But to be fair, it was New Year's Day 2023, so the university was closed for the holidays. This time though, completely different vibe. Hello guys, currently I am at the University of Coventry's Technology Park. So they have a whole enclave which is dedicated essentially for technology. So in this park, what goes on here, you would like to know, they have an enterprise center, a design hub, a serious games institute, a health design and technology institute, an innovation village, a simulation center.
2,000 years later.
I'm simply blown away. The place is spectacular. Check this place out. Okie dokie guys, that's the end of my tour of Coventry. If you've loved this video, smash the like button. Let me know your comments in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed, I wonder what you're waiting for. Hit that subscribe button and be part of this global community. Until I come your way again in another video, this is George Wilkinson and this is the Global Scholar YouTube channel. Peace. See ya.